Hello everyone. Welcome back. And congratulations on completing NumPy. By now, you know how to create arrays and perform calculations and analyze data. But here is a question for you. If NumPy is so powerful, why do companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Netflix use Pandas? Do we really need another library? The answer is yes. And today we will understand why Pandas exist and how it makes working with real world dataset much easier. And here is a small example for you. Imagine your manager gives you this employee data in an Excel file. Just imagine, okay? Now he asks you some questions like show only IT employees and find the average salary. And again he will ask find employees older than 26. And after some time, again he will ask sort salaries from highest to lowest. Now can we do this with NumPy? The answer is yes. Now we have another question. Is it easy? Not really. Okay. Pandas was created to make these tasks simple. Now you have a question. What is Pandas? Pandas is a Python library used to load, organize, clean, filter, analyze, and manipulate data. Okay. If NumPy is great for numbers and Pandas is for here the question for you. Okay. If NumPy is great for the numbers, Pandas is great for the tables. Okay. Now you might ask me, what is a data frame? Here, data frame looks like a table. A data frame has rows, columns, and column names and different data types. Okay, almost every data set you will see in the machine learning will be loaded as data frame only. Now let us see in the practical way. Yeah, here is a small code for you. See, just don't simply by heart this code, okay? Just try to understand what I am saying. Here, I have installed Pandas. Pip install Pandas. If you already installed Anaconda or a modern Python distribution with data science package, Pandas may already be available. If not, this command installs the Pandas. Okay, here import pandas as pd. Just like we use np for numpy, we use pd for the pandas. Okay, here 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 import pandas as pd. It will import the python pandas library. Okay, next here we created a python dictionary. It means first columns. Here the first column. Here, name becomes the first column, and age becomes the second column, and salary becomes the third column. Okay. Here, pd dot data frame. This means it will converts the dictionary into a table. Okay. Now, now let us run this code. Okay. Okay. Now here, notice something new here. On the left side, you see 0, 1, 2. What are these? These are called the index. Every row in a data frame has an index by default. Now you have a question. Why pandas is better than numpy? Because manually numbers, text, dates, arrays tables. Fastest for the numerical computations, easy for the data analysis. Now it doesn't have a column name, and now it is harder to analyze CSV files and to read CSV files directly. NumPy and Pandas are not competitors here. Remember one thing: NumPy and Pandas are not competitors. In fact, Pandas is built on the top of NumPy, and we will use both together in the machine learning projects, and it will use the best results. Okay, and I hope you understand. And in the mostly machine learning data sets comes as CSV files only. When you load CSV using pandas, it will become a data frame. Learning data frame is one of the most important steps before building the machine learning models. Okay, see, if you see, just be patient. Okay, if you have the good basics and good foundations, then only you will build big house. Okay, uh, just try to understand what I'm saying. And today what we learned, why is panda needed, and what is a data frame and how to create our first table using Pandas. Okay, in the next lesson, we will download our first Kaggle dataset and read a CSV file. From the from the next lesson onwards, we stop creating data manually. I hope you understand, and please subscribe the channel and do support me. Thank you.